In a once peaceful town, a flock of parrot planners watched humans with curious eyes. They devised a cunning strategy to showcase their intelligence, a spectacular aerial display to captivate every resident. As the sun set, thousands of parrots filled the sky, painting it with colors that mesmerized the onlookers. Suddenly, they began mimicking human conversations, sparking a realization among the townspeople of the parrots' potential as partners rather than pests. That pivotal moment shifted the tide, making humans reconsider their roles and responsibilities towards all species. As the days unfolded, a new alliance formed, rooted in cooperation and mutual respect, challenging everyone to rethink their understanding of coexistence.